So I've got the juice of 4 limes, approximately half a cup of fresh lime juice. You can use key limes if they're available where you live. Put the top of the food processor on, turn it on. Zoo, 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 zoo. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Ta-da.
You can eat this like we are going to right now in a parfait glass, or pour it in a, make your own pie crust if you like, or
Where's my glass?
buy a ready-made one. Now realize this is going to thicken up a little bit as it, well actually it's going to thicken up a lot. It is pretty, when you put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, or in the freezer if you're in a hurry, it really is going to thicken up and it's going to be really, really thick.
Like a
Yep.
raspberry, or you
Right.
put this in
I'm going to put the lime zest on top, but you know what? It is thin right now, but I promise you, after it chills for about 4 hours, it's going to be the consistency of cheesecake, and it tastes just like key lime pie. Maybe we should refrigerate it for 4 hours, then come back and have you taste it. It is a little runny now. The lime zest goes on top just to look pretty,
Beautiful.
but you'll see. Actually, you might have to drink this one, but I'm always taking your spoon.
I'll just taste it.
Hopefully the flavor is there.
Oh, that's
good.
delicious.
It's refreshing.
It is.
Right, and this will firm up, I promise. It just needs to chill.
It almost tastes like cheesecake. Amazing.
Doesn't it? It tastes like
Yeah.
a key lime cheesecake.